Oh shit! Help! Help!
That specialize in rescuing young girls from pimps and prostitution. Many of them are looking for them.
And you be on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot niggas.
What the hell, dude?
Where's the catnip?
You can't get out. Oh!
Oh, buddy.
I came in like a
Fuck one more time, I swear to God, I'll beat the black off you. And I got Mike Vick on speed dial. What's up? What you gonna do? Make a move. What's up? Try me.
Say hi to everybody!
Why do we exist? What is my being here? What am I doing with my life? Stay in my backpack forever.
So I gotta fly my spaceship.
Time to pick up David.
I'm gonna boop the neighbor's cats. Boop. Boop. Boop.
What's up, guys? I'm just chilling. I'm pretty bored and
Can I help you?
My God.
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna take a little cat nap. Let's get that out of here. Take a little cat nap and I say get that shit out of here!
Spike loves his new hat.
Oh, it's a black cat. It's bad luck.
It's not a black cat.
Meow, nigga.
I ever told you how beautiful you are?
Ah! God damn. Girl, chill!
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
It's like you're my mirror. My mirror staring back at me.
My fellow Americans, there is Ebola in America, which means we are screwed.
Run, Fatso, run! Run! Oh, someone's tired.
Secret Agent Cat.
I'm a cat. Most fuzzy first place. If you try to pick me up, I will squat you in the face.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Turtle cat.
Yes.
Don't be mean to her.
Can you imagine if your arm was to fall out of there? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. I got it.
I was in PetSmart and this lady made me feel like such a bad pet owner. Oh, what kind of cat is that? It's the black one. Duh.
Wait. But first, let me take a selfie.
Every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter.
Oh, kitty, I love you so much, beautiful cat. You're so perfect.
Look, Tom, I popped a molly and I'm sweating, okay? I'm burning up right now. Oh, Jesus, that's so much better. Stop filling me. I'm in trouble right now.
Soldier boy. And chewy on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga. Go! Whisper, whisper, Mr. Pussycat.
Marcus, you didn't say
You have very big freaking legs, man. Oh, I didn't mean to.
Darth Maul tells to the Jedi, you've never faced my kind.
Italian place. Oh, I forget the name of it.
Oh, Bean, it's the cutest. Oh, floral. Brad, what the hell's your problem, Brad?
How to make a kitten burrito. Insert kitten.
Roll kitten.
Looks like they're trying to take
They don't want to walk into a situation where all of a sudden they're ambushed when they're trying to help out.
Look at her try to get it. Oh my God. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. And the baby don't fuck with me hella raw, gotta let her. Wanna hear a joke about some cats? Just kidding.